Hello everyone, welcome to Crazy Cars. Today, we have something truly exciting for fans of classic Volkswagen models. The legendary Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is back. Yes, after decades of being just a nostalgic memory, Volkswagen has revived this iconic coupe for the modern era. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a perfect blend of retro design and futuristic technology, making it one of the most anticipated cars of the year. But does it stay true to its roots? Or is it just another rebadged EV in disguise? That's exactly what we'll find out in this in-depth review. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing car content. Now, let's dive right in. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia brings back the sleek, curvy design that made the original model so famous in the 1950s and 60s. It's not just a modernized version of the Beetle, it's a completely new vehicle built on Volkswagen's latest MEB electric platform. The design team has worked hard to maintain the essence of the original coupe, while adding futuristic touches that make it relevant for today's market. At the front, the Karmann Ghia features rounded LED headlights, paying homage to the classic model's soft, flowing front-end design. The Volkswagen logo is now illuminated, sitting at the center of a smooth, aerodynamic grille, which helps improve efficiency. Unlike traditional grilles, this one is mostly closed, since EVs don't require large air intakes for cooling. The lower bumper has subtle air vents, helping with aerodynamics and brake cooling. The side profile of the new Karmann Ghia is undoubtedly its most striking angle. It stays true to the original coupe's shape, featuring a low-slung stance, flowing lines, and a sporty roofline. The doors have frameless windows, adding a premium touch, while the flush door handles pop out automatically when you approach the car. The wheel options range from 18 to 20 inches, with aerodynamically optimized alloy wheels that enhance efficiency while still looking stylish. Moving to the rear, Volkswagen has given the Karmann Ghia a set of ultra-modern LED taillights, which span across the entire width of the car. A subtle ducktail spoiler has been integrated into the trunk lid, improving aerodynamics while adding a sporty look. The lower bumper features a unique diffuser, emphasizing the performance-focused nature of the car. The overall design is a perfect blend of classic elegance and modern styling. Now, let's talk about performance. Unlike the original Karmann Ghia, which was based on the VW Beetle chassis with a modest air-cooled engine, the 2026 model is a fully electric sports coupe. Volkswagen offers the Karmann Ghia in two powertrain options, catering to both casual drivers and performance enthusiasts. The base model comes with a rear-mounted electric motor, producing 250 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This setup is rear-wheel drive (RWD), staying true to the original car's layout. It's paired with a 77 kWh battery pack, delivering an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge. Acceleration is impressive, with a 0 to 60 mph time of around 6.5 seconds, making it much faster than its classic counterpart. For those who crave more power, Volkswagen has introduced the Karmann Ghia GTX, a high-performance dual-motor version. This model features all-wheel drive (AWD) and a combined output of 400 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to its larger 85 kWh battery, the GTX delivers a range of 290 miles, but with significantly faster acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds. This puts it in the same league as some of the fastest electric coupes available today. In terms of driving dynamics, Volkswagen has tuned the chassis to offer a balance between comfort and sportiness. Thanks to the low center of gravity from the battery pack, the Karmann Ghia feels planted and stable, even at high speeds. The GTX trim gets adaptive suspension, allowing drivers to adjust between comfort and sport modes depending on their preference. The steering is precise and responsive, making it a joy to drive on winding roads. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is all about modern luxury with a retro touch. The dashboard design is clean and minimalistic, featuring a mix of premium leather, soft-touch materials, and brushed aluminum accents. The centerpiece is a 15-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, powered by Volkswagen's latest ID software. This system offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to switch between different display modes. There's even a heads-up display with augmented reality features, projecting important driving information directly onto the windshield. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, with available Alcantara or leather upholstery, and the GTX trim offers racing-style bucket seats for extra support. Technology-wise, the Karmann Ghia is packed with features. Some highlights include 360-degree camera system for better parking assistance, Harman Kardon premium audio system for an immersive sound experience, adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving capabilities, wireless charging in multiple USB-C ports, ambient lighting with 30 customizable colors. For safety, the 2026 Karmann Ghia includes Volkswagen's latest IQ Drive Safety Suite, which features automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention monitoring. Now, let's talk about pricing and trims. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia comes in two main variants. Karmann Ghia RWD, base model, single motor, -$48,000. Karmann Ghia GTX AWD, dual motor performance, -$58,000. For an additional $3,000, customers can add the performance package to the GTX trim, which includes track-tuned suspension, larger brakes, and an exclusive launch mode for even faster acceleration. Final thoughts. The return of the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a dream come true for classic car enthusiasts. Volkswagen has managed to preserve the spirit of the original model while giving it a futuristic makeover. The sleek design, powerful electric drivetrain, and advanced technology make it one of the most exciting EVs on the market. Whether you're looking for a stylish, fun-to-drive electric coupe or a high-performance GTX model, the 2026 Karmann Ghia has something for everyone. So, what do you think about the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia? Do you love the retro modern design, or do you think VW should have kept it as a gas-powered coupe? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Cars for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.